Okay, so this problem, it's very similar compared to the previous one we discussed. So given this region, I'm going to revolve this region about the y-axis and ask you to figure out the volume. So still, the easier way is to use the disk method, okay. And then since it's revolve about the y-axis, so immediately you can see that the integral is going to be in terms of y. Okay, so we gonna figure out, if we draw a cross section, it's gonna be something like this. Okay, and then apparently you can see that this is gonna be the radius, and then we need to write it in terms of y. Okay, now think about it that this is exactly the x expression, and that's going to be the radius, but we want that to be in terms of y. So we already know that y equals square root of 3x. So immediately if we solve x in terms of y, that's going to give us is y squared over 3 is going to be x. So this is exactly the expression for the radius of that cross section. So the disk method is going to be pi times y squared over 3 and then squared. Okay, so this is going to be the area of that of the disk. Okay, of that disk. So the area is pi times capital RY squared, which is pi times y squared over 3, then square it's going to be pi y to the power fourth over 9. Okay, so which is already here. And then this integral becomes into pi over 9, 1 to the power fourth dy. Okay, so we can just evaluate this. We can take this pi over 9 out, y fifths over 5, and from 0 to 3. Okay, and then turns out, so this is 3 to the power fifth over 5. Okay, so if you simplify that, you're gonna see it's 27 pi over 5. Okay, so that is the answer for this problem. Okay, so there is really so this is pretty standard question. Okay, so thank you for the watching.